Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Bank of America to GCash and explain the available options, since there's no direct transfer between the two. Bank of America does not support direct transfers to GCash, so you'll need to use a third-party money transfer service. Common options include services like Wise, Western Union, or other international remittance providers that support transfers to GCash in the Philippines. To get started, sign into your Bank of America account online or through the mobile app. Make sure you have enough funds in your account for the transfer. Next, choose the money transfer service you want to use and create an account if you don't already have one. During setup, you'll usually link your Bank of America account or debit card as the funding source. When sending money, select the Philippines as the destination country and choose GCash as the payout method. Enter the recipient's GCash mobile number carefully, since this is how the money will be received. Enter the amount you want to send, review the exchange rate and fees, and confirm the transfer. Depending on the service you use, the money may arrive in the GCash account within minutes or within a few business days. Once the transfer is complete, the recipient will receive a notification in their GCash app confirming the deposit. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you understand how to transfer money from Bank of America to GCash, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.